platforms supported by Selenium. Here I will explain different types of platforms. A. Browsers. Next, operating systems. Operating systems. Next, programming languages. Programming languages. Next, application environments. Application environments. See, first browsers. Tell me, Sunil, Selenium supported browsers.
Yeah, it's a Google Chrome,
Yes, Google Chrome.
Mozilla Firefox,
Mozilla Firefox.
Opera.
Next, Internet Explorer.
Yes, Internet Explorer,
Next, Opera. Next, Safari,
etc.
etc. These are the popular browsers. First three only popular browsers. More than 93% market share. These three browsers only. And one limitation, Selenium IDE doesn't support all browsers. Here, Selenium IDE supports Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox browser only. See, one of the component of Selenium or one of the tool of Selenium suite, Selenium's tool suite, Selenium IDE. IDE. It supports Mozilla Firefox browser only. Remaining components are tools, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. They support all popular browsers. Okay, now this point, Gurnath. Only one limitation we discussed.
Sir.
Selenium IDE doesn't support all popular browsers. It supports only Mozilla Firefox. Remaining Selenium components are Selenium's tools support all popular browsers. Next, come to operating systems. Niladri, operating systems. Selenium support all popular operating systems. Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Macintosh, etc. Here no limitation, all Selenium components, Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid support all popular operating systems or operating environments. Next, come to programming languages, Smita. Programming languages.
Sir. This is Gurnath here, sir.
Gurnath, tell me.
Selenium Grid also supports Mozilla Firefox, IE, and Google Chrome, as well as Opera and Safari, right, sir?
Otherwise, how can you execute tests in parallel?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir. Just one. Thank you so much, sir.
Say, okay, good question. Selenium Grid is not for test case design, only for test case execution, but it has to execute tests against all popular browsers. Otherwise, no use of Selenium Grid. It has to execute tests on Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, IE, and Mozilla Firefox. See, definitely Selenium Grid supports all popular browsers.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next, Niladri, programming languages. Selenium
Yes.
support
Supports Java, C Sharp, Python,
Java, C Sharp. Next,
Python,
Python.
Perl,
Next, Perl. Next,
Ruby,
Ruby,
PHP.
Hypertext Preprocessor, PHP. Okay. But here also one limitation, Smita. What is that limitation of Selenium components?
I think Selenium IDE doesn't support any
Any
programming language.
programming. See, Selenium IDE doesn't support any programming. In Selenium IDE, we use commands only, predefined commands only. Okay, no user-defined logic. But you can use all these 6 programming languages for Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver. Gurnath, for Selenium Grid, you no need to use programming, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Why?
Because we're only test execution, sir. We are
Only
not
for
any
test execution, not for test case design. Not for
test case.
test design. So you no need to use any programming in Selenium Grid. Say you can use any one of these languages for creating test cases in Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver. But
Okay,
Selenium
sir.
IDE doesn't support any programming. Okay, next come to application environments. See, important one. See, basically we have 4 types of application environments. First one is, say, applications. We have 2 types of software nowadays. Computer software, Sunil. Computer software, if it is web application or desktop application, computer software. Another one is,
Mobile software.
yes, and mobile software. See, devices different. Computers, uh, if it is desktop computer or laptop computer, mobile devices, mobile software. Okay. See, first one, CUI based applications, old applications, command user interface. Nowadays, CUI based applications outdated. Just understanding purpose. Selenium doesn't support CUI based applications. Selenium doesn't support CUI based applications. Why? In CUI based applications, no elements. Next, Windows based applications. Windows based applications. See, don't confuse. Windows operating system is different. Windows based application is different. Getting this point, Smita? Windows operating system is different. Windows based application is different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? Suppose here you can find calculator. This is desktop application. This is Windows based application or web based application. This calculator is Windows based or web based?
Window based, sir.
Window based. See, window based. See, this is the in Windows based also you can find uh, 2 important types of applications, Neladri. in Windows based also you can find two important types of applications. What are they?
There is one tier and client server application.
Who is telling?
Niladri?
Niladri. One tier and client server applications. For example, Notepad. Notepad is one tier application or client server application?
One tier application.
One tier application. It doesn't have any database. It stores its resources using file format on physical hard disk. See here, one tier and client server, two tier. Tell me, Smita, Selenium is Selenium support Windows based applications?
Yes, sir. It supports Windows-based applications.
What we
No, sir.
discussed yesterday,
No, it
Selenium,
won't support.
No, sir, it doesn't support.
it doesn't support. Remember,
Only web applications.
only
Yes, sir.
web. See, Selenium automates web browsers. In Windows based environment, no browser na.
Right.
Okay. See, it doesn't support. Selenium doesn't support. What about UFT, formerly QTP, Sanjida? What about UFT? Is UFT supports this one Windows based applications or not?
Yes, you have to support Windows and web-based both.
Good. UFT, formerly QTP, supports Windows based applications as well as web based applications. Okay, nowadays
Sir, I have a
Windows.
question.
Ah,
Sir, why Selenium doesn't support Windows-based application?
see, it can interact with the browser only. It can identify browser elements only.
Okay.
That is internal architecture. And one more thing, no issue. See, nowadays most of the applications are web applications only. This Windows based also slowly getting outdated. Okay, some one tier applications will be there, but remaining applications nowadays client server also migrating to web only. Okay,
Okay.
na?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Welcome. After answering the question, all of you put mute. Okay, no issue. Nowadays CUI applications outdated, Windows based applications also limited. Next, popular type web based applications. Web based applications. Aarti, web based applications.
Yes, Selenium does support the web-based
Yes, Selenium
application,
supports.
but
Ah,
UFT doesn't. UFT doesn't.
UFT also supports web based applications. Don't confuse.
Okay.
UFT also supports web based applications. UFT supports Windows based and web based applications. Next, mobile applications. Mobile applications. Say, basically we have three types of mobile applications. First one is native applications. Native applications. Next, web apps, web applications. Using browser only you can operate. For
What is
native
native
applications, browser support not required.
What is native application? This is Gurunath here, sir.
See, in Google Play Store, some games or some utilities are there now. Without browser, you can operate those applications on browser device. Suppose one gaming software is there, if you are able to open that application without browser, that is native application.
Oh, okay, got it, sir. Okay.
See, mobile applications basically three types: native applications, web apps, and hybrid applications. You know hybrid applications, Sunil. hybrid applications?
No idea, sir.
In desktop,
Combination of,
pardon?
I'm sorry, combination of native and web
Yes,
application.
yes, good. Suppose, for example, Skype is there na in desktop. Skype software
sir.
is there na. Is it web-based application or desktop application? Skype, is it desktop application or web application?
It's a desktop.
Desktop application, but it interacts with web applications na. It
Yes.
interacts with web na. Web enabled. See, basically Skype is desktop application, but it interacts with web. That is hybrid application. Say, supports mobile applications which have web forms. Supports mobile applications which have web forms. Supports only web apps.
Sir, can you give us a few examples on that?
Pardon? Who is asking?
It's Sunil here, sir.
Tell me, Sunil.
Web apps.
Say web apps. Suppose so many people are using apps na. Suppose Ola cars, they are using web app na.
Yes, sir.
Using browser, you can operate that app and you can book cars. That is web app only. That is not native application. Using browser only, you can launch that web app. Nowadays, so many web apps available on mobile devices. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
What is web forms different from web apps? You said supports application. This is Gurunath here. So supports application which have web forms.
In say you can find this. You can identify this one as synonyms. Web apps having web forms only.
I didn't get, sir. What does it mean actually, sir?
Web form, format, web format.
Oh, got it. Web format. Oh, got it.
Okay.
So
now-
like Facebook, right, sir?
Pardon?
Like Facebook or any application like
Facebook.
Any web-
Facebook desk. This one computer application also there na desktop application. Means web application.
is when we use in mobile is kind of web
Yes,
form,
mobile
right?
version also there. See, some applications having both versions, computer version, mobile version.
Yeah.
See, some applications you can operate in computers as well as mobiles. Not only some, nowadays most of the applications can be accessed in mobile also.
So, sir, when we use that like that kind of application in mobile, that is web form, right?
Yes, that is web form only.
Thank you.
Now tell me, Preeti, what about UFT? UFT supports mobile applications? Aarti?
Yeah, I think so. It supports mobile application.
See, UFT latest versions supporting mobile applications. They introduced one new module, Mobile Center. Not all types of mobile applications. They are slowly adopting mobile testing also. Okay.
I didn't get, sir. Can you repeat it again, sir? Pardon, this is Gurunath here.
Tell me, what is the problem?
No, sir, I did not understand what exactly it is. Like, can you repeat it, sir? Pardon, I didn't get it.
UFT, we are discussing about UFT. That is out of syllabus. UFT. UFT also nowadays supports mobile applications. Latest versions, not old versions.
Oh, okay, got it, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
See, see
It is also supports the web service.
which one?
UFT.
Yes. Okay. Forget about out of range topics. All of you put mute. Preeti, you also put mute. Okay, na Sunil? We discussed 4 different platforms: browsers, operating systems, programming languages, and application environment. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.